Well, Sarah, the city commissioned that poll in December and surveyed 1,000 residents, asking them a series of 5 questions, including how they felt the city has dealt with this encampment crisis, as well as the vision for the city. This as Barrie remains under a state of emergency.
To be implemented, the city of Barrie is immediately instituting the state of emergency to reclaim our streets, our boulevards, our parks, our squares, our feeling of safety, and our order.
It has been more than 5 months since Barrie Mayor Alex Nuttall made that declaration. But how has the city handled it thus far? 73% of those surveyed strongly support the investments made in addressing homelessness. 80% are in support of the city's approach to removing encampments as long as people have been offered shelter and support.
When we're providing those services for individuals, when we're removing tents, and we actually have the supportive services like rehab and all of these things in place and ready to go.
Since then, city staff say 79 encampments have been addressed and cleared in Barrie, and now only 2 encampments remain. Another question in the poll addressed the county of Simcoe and if they should be doing more to address homelessness, addiction, and mental health. 90% in favor.
They want more done more quickly with better results, and I certainly share that. At the same time, they are, I believe, all hands on deck to move this forward.
The county says the poll showed them many things about the public's perception, but also clarifying that while the county is responsible for the homeless mandate, they are not responsible for mental health and addiction services.
That's a provincial health service. So I think maybe making sure that clarification is made, while maybe the public feels like there needs to be more done on mental health and addiction. I agree. I think homelessness is a health crisis.
The county adding it's important for all government and agencies to be involved in the solution.
I think homelessness is not just a federal or provincial or municipal problem. It's a community problem, so it needs community solutions. So I think partnering with organizations that are trying to contribute to the solutions is a good active way to get involved.
The survey also asking residents how they felt the city managed police and reducing crime. 76% in favor of how council has supported Barrie Police and the efforts to reduce crime throughout the city. The public was also asked if the city's budget balances community services with keeping tax increases low. Here's what the mayor had to say about that.
So when you look at our AAA credit rating this year, I think that everybody can agree that the city of Barrie is being managed extremely well in terms of our finances. We can always do better, we can always do more, and that work is continuing each and every day.
Again, 1,000 people were asked to be in this survey, and city staff have indicated that there will be no additional surveys for the remainder of this session of council. Reporting in Barrie at City Hall, I'm Luke Samar. Sarah, we'll send it back to you.